When it comes to personal style, the smallest details can make a big difference in how a look is perceived. While every woman has her unique aesthetic, certain fashion and beauty choices can sometimes detract from an otherwise polished and sophisticated appearance. Whether it's a matter of makeup, clothing fit, or accessory choices, small missteps can unintentionally cheapen a look. In this video, we shall discuss common style pitfalls and tips on how to keep your appearance chic, timeless, and effortlessly elegant. Let's get started. 10 common style mistakes that can cheapen your look. Welcome to a La Mode where life meets style. If you're looking for a place to unwind, learn, and grow, hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. 1. Overly heavy makeup. Makeup is a powerful tool for enhancing natural beauty, but when applied too heavily, it can have the opposite effect, making the skin look cakey or even drawing attention away from a person's features. This effect is especially noticeable in natural light or up-close interactions. Heavy foundations, intense contouring, bold colors, and thick layers of powder can often look harsh rather than enhancing, potentially creating an artificial or overdone appearance. To maintain a refined, elegant look, it's best to opt for a lighter touch, choosing products that allow skin to breathe, like a sheer foundation or tinted moisturizer, creates a smooth base without masking the natural complexion. Light contouring that complements, rather than changes, the natural shape of the face gives definition without appearing stark. Similarly, opting for softer, neutral tones for eyes and lips creates a classic and fresh appearance that lets your natural features shine through. Ultimately, makeup is meant to highlight and bring out natural beauty. A balanced, more natural approach allows for a polished look that feels sophisticated, timeless, and true to one's own unique features. 2. Poor fit in clothing. Even the most stylish outfit can lose its appeal if it doesn't fit well. Clothes that are too tight can look uncomfortable or overly revealing, while pieces that are too loose may come off as sloppy or unintentional. Both extremes can detract from the overall look, regardless of how expensive or trendy the items may be. The right fit not only flatters your shape, but also enhances your confidence and comfort. Tailoring, for instance, can make a world of difference by adjusting garments to suit your specific proportions. A well-fitted dress, blazer, or pair of jeans instantly creates a more put-together and polished appearance, elevating your look from casual to sophisticated. When selecting pieces, it's also helpful to keep your body type in mind and to choose cuts that balance your frame. A bit of tailoring can transform clothing, giving it a custom-made feel that makes even budget-friendly items look luxe and intentional. Prioritizing fit is one of the easiest ways to ensure that your wardrobe feels stylish, chic, and thoughtfully put together. 3. Too many trends at once. Fashion trends can be exciting and offer fresh ways to express personal style. However, when multiple trends are piled into a single look, it can overwhelm and detract from a sophisticated appearance. For instance, pairing neon colors with oversized logos, exaggerated silhouettes, and statement accessories may come across as chaotic rather than chic. Trends are meant to be fun, but too many competing elements can end up feeling cluttered and diminish the overall elegance of an outfit. A more refined approach is to incorporate 1 or 2 trends at a time, balanced with classic or neutral pieces that anchor the look. For example, pairing a trendy oversized blazer with a fitted pair of jeans or classic trousers creates a stylish yet balanced outfit. If you're drawn to bold patterns, try wearing them with simpler accessories or solid colors, allowing the trendy item to stand out without competing with too many other elements. A thoughtfully curated outfit that uses trends sparingly and strategically can feel much more polished and elegant. By choosing just 1 or 2 statement pieces, you let each element shine and create a look that feels intentional, timeless, and effortlessly stylish. 4. Over-accessorizing. Accessories can elevate an outfit, but too many can create a cluttered and distracting look that detracts from overall elegance. Over-accessorizing, layering multiple necklaces, stacking bracelets, wearing large earrings with a statement hat, and adding oversized rings all at once, can make even the most stylish ensemble look busy or overdone. Accessories are meant to complement your outfit, not compete with it. A more refined approach is to choose one or two standout pieces to highlight. For example, a pair of eye-catching earrings or a bold statement necklace can add sophistication and personality without overwhelming the look. If you're wearing a striking bracelet or watch, balance it with simpler earrings or a subtle necklace. Classic pieces like a delicate chain, a simple ring, or a pair of understated earrings often look more polished and work with any outfit. The key to accessorizing with style is restraint. Selecting a few thoughtful pieces lets your accessories enhance your look without overpowering it, creating a refined, balanced, and elegant appearance. 5. Visible wear and tear. Even the most expensive or stylish items can lose their impact if they show visible signs of wear and tear. Clothes that are pilling, frayed, or have loose threads can give the impression of being neglected, no matter how well they once fit or how high-end the brand. Similarly, shoes with scuffs or scratches, or bags with faded straps and peeling leather, can detract from an otherwise polished look. To maintain an elevated appearance, it's important to care for your clothing and accessories properly, regularly inspecting and repairing any damage, whether it's sewing a loose button, fixing a hem, or polishing shoes, ensures that your wardrobe always looks fresh and well-maintained. Additionally, investing in high-quality fabrics and materials that hold up well over time can help reduce wear and tear. Taking time to maintain your wardrobe not only extends the life of your pieces, but also ensures you always look well put together. Well-maintained clothing and accessories contribute to a sophisticated, refined look that communicates attention to detail and a sense of style that never feels rushed or haphazard. 6. Neglecting hair and nails. Hair and nails are often overlooked when it comes to maintaining a polished appearance, yet they play a significant role in how well put together someone looks. Unkempt, frizzy hair, or chipped, uneven nails can detract from even the most stylish outfit. While it's not necessary to have a perfectly manicured look at all times, neglecting the basics can make a person seem disorganized or rushed. Regular grooming, whether it's a simple hair trim, a quick blowout, or just ensuring your nails are clean and filed, can make a world of difference. Hair that is well maintained, whether it's styled, brushed, or simply washed and healthy, creates a sense of care and attention to detail. Similarly, neat, polished nails, whether you prefer a fresh manicure or just a clear coat, project a refined, polished look. The key is consistency. Simple hair and nail care routines can help you maintain a sophisticated and cohesive look, making sure that your overall appearance feels cohesive and elevated. A well-kept hairstyle and neat nails are subtle, but powerful ways to show you value yourself and your style. 7. Low-quality fabrics. The fabric of your clothing plays a crucial role in how polished and sophisticated you appear. Low-quality materials, such as thin synthetics that wrinkle easily, peel over time, or lack structure, can instantly cheapen an outfit. Even well-designed pieces made from inferior fabrics tend to look less expensive and can wear out more quickly, losing their shape and appeal. Opting for higher quality fabrics like cotton, silk, wool, and linen can elevate your look significantly. These materials not only feel more luxurious, but also drape better on the body, creating a more flattering silhouette. They tend to hold up over time, maintaining their appearance and texture, which means they continue to look sharp and refined with wear. While high-quality fabrics might come at a higher price point, investing in timeless, well-made pieces can pay off in the long run. Choosing durable, elegant materials helps maintain a sophisticated aesthetic and ensures your wardrobe retains its polished, chic vibe. Whether you're dressing for a casual outing or a formal event, quality fabrics are one of the easiest ways to enhance your overall look. 8. Visible underwear lines. Visible underwear lines can be one of the most noticeable and distracting elements in an outfit, often detracting from an otherwise polished look. When clothing clings to seams, or the outline of underwear is clearly visible under tight or thin fabrics, it can break the flow of an outfit and take away from its overall sophistication. This is especially true for more form-fitting garments like dresses, skirts, or leggings, where the cut and fit are meant to highlight the silhouette. To avoid this, choosing seamless or well-fitting undergarments can make a huge difference. Opting for high-quality, smooth fabrics that won't show through clothing, such as seamless panties, shapewear, or thong styles, ensures that the focus remains on your outfit rather than your undergarments. Additionally, selecting the right size in both clothing and underwear ensures that clothes sit comfortably and don't create unnecessary bulges or lines. A subtle touch, like paying attention to your undergarments, can contribute greatly to the overall neatness and elegance of your look. By avoiding visible underwear lines, your outfit will appear more streamlined, polished, and intentional. 9. Worn-out shoes. Shoes are one of the most important elements of any outfit. They can make or break your overall look. Worn-out shoes, whether scuffed, dirty, or with soles that have lost their structure, can significantly detract from an otherwise polished appearance. Even the most stylish or expensive clothing can appear less refined if paired with shoes that look tired or neglected. Over time, scuffed heels, peeling leather, or bent toes can give the impression that a person doesn't pay attention to the finer details of their wardrobe. To maintain an elevated appearance, it's important to keep shoes in good condition. Regular cleaning, polishing, and timely repairs can ensure that your shoes continue to look fresh and well-maintained. If a pair of shoes has reached the point of no return, it's best to replace them rather than trying to salvage them. Investing in a few high-quality pairs of shoes that are versatile and durable will ensure you always have a foundation that complements your outfits beautifully. Caring for your shoes, whether it's rotating pairs to extend their life or treating them with protective sprays, goes a long way in keeping your look sophisticated. Well-kept shoes not only add to the overall elegance of your outfit but also demonstrate that you pay attention to the small, important details of your appearance. 10. Too much perfume. Fragrance is a powerful tool for leaving a lasting impression, but when overdone, it can quickly become overwhelming and detract from a refined appearance. A cloud of overpowering perfume can make you seem less polished and even distract from the overall elegance of your outfit. A heavy fragrance can also clash with your natural scent and feel too intrusive in close encounters, often giving off the impression of excess. To maintain a sophisticated aura, less is often more when it comes to perfume. A subtle spritz on pulse points, such as the wrists, neck, and behind the ears, can leave a delicate scent that lingers, without being overpowering. Choosing a fragrance that complements your natural scent and mood, rather than one that overwhelms, ensures a more tasteful and elegant presence. Perfume should enhance your persona, not dominate it. A light touch of fragrance that is both subtle and sophisticated will leave a lasting, pleasant impression, reinforcing a well-put-together look. To sum up, aiming for a balanced, well-tailored, and clean appearance goes a long way in maintaining a classy and elevated look. In fashion, as in life, it's the little details that often make the biggest impact. Avoiding common style missteps can go a long way toward creating a refined and elegant look. By focusing on quality, fit, and mindful accessorizing, you can elevate your personal style and project a more polished, sophisticated appearance. Remember, great style isn't about following every trend or having a closet full of designer pieces. It's about making thoughtful choices that make you look and feel your best. With a few small adjustments, you can bring out the chic and timeless beauty in any outfit. So ladies, have we left out something? Apart from these, what are other common style mistakes that can cheapen your look? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more discussions.